wake up. Hey, I got you something, buddy. Owen, hey, wake up. Owen? Oh, no. Not you two. I promised her. I swore. Come on, man, wake up before he gets here, huh? Owen, wake up! Fuck. Death! Sir! Long time no see. You're looking... good? Oh, please, wait, sir. Forgive me. Sir, I mean no disrespect. It's just that I didn't mean to deliver Owen just yet. I believe you come before it is time. Yes, I understand. You decide if it is time or it is not time. But, sir, I have delivered you so many souls. Even the boy's mother. If I could only make a case, if I could only share his story. Sir, I believe Owen... I believe he can make this world, this shithole you liberate people from, a slightly better place. And I think maybe I can help him. Please. Thank you. I met Owen while he was still in the womb. His mother had fed herself a platter of my finest, and he tasted it through me. As you know, I had caught the woman in a few ways. Hey there. You know, you are as beautiful as the day is long. What's your name? Dawn. I see how you might get a name like that. The way that smile falls right between the sun and the moon. Dawn. How about another drink, Dawn? And she drank it right up. Again and again, and swam right into my net without seeing it. Well, they never do. It wasn't long before, well, I got attached to her, you see, and I introduced her to my strongest bait. Heroin. Look, you're tired, baby. Your heart's all tied up in knots. Look, this is just to get you through today, right? Hey, don't say that. You're a smart girl, a smart woman. Just to get through today. And as the needle slid in her arm, I thrust a spear through her heart, the way you might catch a flounder walking along the shore of a beach. Her skin glowed in her smile. Right, sir, sorry, to the point. Well, after Owen came along, I believe we liked the way she cleaned, maybe even most of all. Maybe. The way the dust rained down and the creases ironed out, it made her feel like a better mom. And she knew when all was neat, when all was clean, she could nod off to the H train. And we loved it. I can see God here. I can almost reach out and touch him. Ain't that nice? Feels like a blanket wrapping me up. Warm. A little too warm, actually. Hey, Dawn, you mind turning down the heat? Oh, shit. Dawn, wake up. You left the iron on. Dawn! Fuckity fuck. Her skin sizzled and her smile melted. People say that the devil is real and that I'm him. You know, it's moments like this that make me think maybe they're right. But it's moments like this that make me think maybe they're wrong. Dan! Glad you're here. He's in the next room. Go. Who's our man? Dan's our man. D-A-N, the M-A-N. You gotta save Owen. Come on, get him out of this fire. Go. And he did. Swooped him right up and ran him right out. Owen had a few singed eyebrows, and he didn't much care for bonfires in the years to come, but, well, that junkie in the gas mask and hard hat, he ran into that fire because I was a close personal friend of his. You see, to be honest with you, All my bait, all the scraps I put at the end of my rod, I put them there because I know people know it's what they need for a better life. Right, sir, sorry. Back to the point. Owen was, well, he was a little harder to work on. Something like a largemouth bass needed a move and target. That fire kept him away from me for many years, but I promised his ma I would look after him, so I persisted. Finally, I found a way in. Nothing quite like a hand to hold or a pair of lips to kiss, huh? Sure does make a fella see all the things he needs to fix. Me? I'm your new best friend. You can call me the monkey on your back. Ooh, you're doing fine. Really, you're okay. But if you want them to stay, you might want to start running, lift a few dumbbells, burn that fat off, boy. Oops, and food. Stay away from food. You're on my ship now. There will be an order to things, and we're gonna get a lot done together. And we did. We sure did. And you see, once Owen had opened the doors, once he had let me in and climbed on board, well, he gave an inch and I took a mile. Wasn't long before, look, you're tired, but you can't sleep. Your mind is all tied up in knots. Look, weed isn't heroin, man. It's God's plan. You want to see God, don't you? Hey, you are not her. You are not her. And he breathed in, and breathed out, and those overworked shoulders, they relaxed a little. And I tied a knot around his throat. He wasn't going anywhere. He was mine. But something in him shifted. He couldn't breathe like that. Eventually, he stopped feeling the endorphins, the weed, the sex. Find something else, I said. Because that's all I knew. But I never anticipated, honestly, that he would pick up the needle. Not after all that fire. Not after dawn. And things have moved so fast. Escalated out of control, and here we are. He has taken too much. He's ready for you to take him. But you can walk the other way, man. Just this once. I will owe you one. I will owe you 1,000,000. I want Owen to survive so that he might use me for a little good. I'm tired of killing people, leading them to your door. That's not me. That's not who I want to be. Look, my heart is right. Chasing the highest yield reward ratio, that is evolution. That is survival of the fittest, not death, not you. Please, I want this one to live. I beg you. Thank you. Owen, wake up. God. You have saved me. First from the fire, and now from the needle. I don't care. You started the fire, and you handed me the needle. I want off your ship. Sailing with you, it makes me feel closer to her, closer to the fire. So close it burns. I want to be normal. Not special. Not interesting. Not even funny. I just want to be normal. But I know I am stuck. Anchored down. Tied with too many knots. So I will gain my sea legs and learn to sail with you. But I am steering the ship, and I am pointing the sails.